Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to care for money plant updated. Water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry, not on a fixed schedule. Keep the plant in bright, indirect light and rotate it weekly for even growth. Fertilize lightly during active growth and repot when roots crowd. Prune yellow leaves and white foliage to prevent pests and dust buildup. In this video, I will show how to care for money plant updated. Water sparingly and check the top 2 inches before adding more, as soggy soil kills roots. Increase humidity with a pebble tray or occasional misting, especially in dry indoor air. Grouping plants can raise local humidity naturally. Watch for limp or yellowing leaves as early signs of overwatering and adjust accordingly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more plant tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort, durability, and a lifetime warranty, perfect for garden work or collecting plants. Check the video description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you want long-lasting socks. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to care for money plant updated. Choose bright indirect light and a loose, well-draining mix with perlite or grit. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength once a month during the growing season. Repot every 1-2 years or when roots circle the pot. Trim leggy stems to encourage bushier growth and remove damaged leaves promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.